presenting the Ram 2019 1500 Rebel. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: transmission 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, engine, 5.7 L V8 HEM AMDS VVT included, active noise control system, heavy-duty engine cooling, dual exhaust with black tips, gross vehicle weight, 100 pounds, Hemi badge, 220 amp alternator, billet silver metallic clear coat, quick order package, 25W Rebel included, engine 5.7 L V8 HEM AMDS VVT, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, body color, door handles, gross vehicle weight, 100 pounds, radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, spray and bed liner, Rebel Level 1 equipment group included, Google Android Auto Radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, rear window defroster.